Imagine a quiet evening on a southern plantation where enslaved people gathered in secret, sharing remedies passed down through generations. One such remedy was burdock root, a hardy plant with broad leaves and prickly burrs that clung stubbornly to clothing. Enslaved healers recognized its power to treat persistent skin diseases like boils, eczema, and rashes, ailments worsened by harsh living conditions and limited hygiene. They would carefully dig up burdock roots, wash them thoroughly to remove dirt, and slice them thin. To prepare a healing wash, they boiled a handful of sliced burdock root in 2 cups of water for about 20 minutes, allowing the liquid to deepen into a rich, earthy brown. Once cooled, this decoction was gently applied to irritated or infected skin using a clean cloth, soothing inflammation and encouraging healing. Burdock root's natural anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and detoxifying properties made it invaluable in these communities. Its story is one of resilience, deep knowledge, and hope amid adversity. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. And if you're not following, you won't hear my voice again.